So this is a HindPay application. This is the login screen. Now, I can log in with a valid email ID and password.
So to get this email ID and password, we have a registration process as well.
Can you explain a little bit about CSP?
Yeah. So the CSP basically is a customer service point. So basically these are the people who are dealing with the customers. So customer comes to them and they receive cash or any mode of payment from the customer and then perform certain duties. In our HindPay app, we are performing cash transfer, we are performing fund transfer, we are performing withdrawal, like a ATM withdrawal. So we are using biometric device to do the withdrawal. We are also performing bill payments. He can come and pay any of their electricity bill, water bill, any kind of bill. We are also performing DTH and mobile recharge. So if they want to top up their phone, they want to top up their TV, set-top box, they can perform all these facilities. We can add a number of facilities, like right now we are also adding insurance. So we're going to sell insurance from the same platform. We are also going to distribute our prepaid cards, our SIM overlay cards through the same agent. We are also going to add services like Amazon and e-commerce websites to perform from the same platform. So this is the wallet platform, and it also enables multiple services, whatever services we want, through the same application. So we are going to demonstrate the application.
So after login, this is the dashboard where we can see all the services which we are currently providing. So services are bill payment, this is mobile and DTH recharge, this is money transfer services, and this is AEPS, which is a cash withdrawal using biometric authentication. We have also included shop now functionality where end user can also do shopping on various e-commerce website via CSP. So these all the reports can be seen here in the sidebar, like all the detailed report, all the transaction statements can be seen here. For a later stage, if any CSP want to see what kind of transaction he has done.
I think you can start from the wallet also.
Okay.
There is the wallet. You can check the balance.
Right. So this is the wallet balance, and if you want to load the wallet, these are the details. These are the steps need to be followed to load the money in the wallet. Once these steps will be followed, this money will be added in the wallet, and wallet balance will be increased.
So every country will have different method of loading wallet.
Yeah.
Sometimes people can use payment gateway. Sometimes people can use depositing
Cash
something,
deposit
cash to
as
the
well.
bank.
Right.
So every country may have different method, but whatever method it is there, it can be integrated with the platform and the wallet can be loaded.
And once those steps are performed and money is received with the company, we can increase the wallet balance with the same amount, and CSP can see that balance here, and once he click on that balance, he can also see the statement, what
Where
money
he has spent,
received.
what has been done, all the functions which he is going to
Yes.
perform. He can raise issues on those transactions. If there is a fault in a transaction, or he wants any support in the transaction, on the transaction basis he can report issue also. We have
So
issue
he can
management
see all the
system.
debit and credit happening in his account, like this is the credit, this is credit, this is debit. So in the statement he can see all the money coming in and going out in his account. At one click he can just see that. There are date filters and other search filters are already there, right? In shop now, there are various categories which he can select, and we have integrated with various e-commerce website. And once he selected the product, with this wallet money will be debited, and then purchase will be successful.
So we can provide endless
So
services.
there are n number of services, flight booking, hotel booking. So we can onboard various services onto this platform.
Even for example, I think in Honduras case they want to do something with the lottery, so this platform can digitize their whole system. Their agents can receive cash, but the company can manage everything in digital format, and this is the platform can help them to digitize the whole process what they have right now. The same can be performed on feature phone also using our sim overlay. So we have a video also for sim overlay, and we can also create one more video right away.